everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change an epic's color here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the color of an epic here in Jira is a straightforward process that would help to visually distinguish from other epics, especially if you're working with multiple epics, making project management and tracking easier. Okay, so if you haven't already, if this is the first time creating an epic and you have plans of creating multiple epics at one time, I need you to click on the create an issue here, or there's an epic here option. Okay, I want you to show the epic panel. All right. Now here, you can create your epic to capture and breaking down work for your team if you haven't already, right? That's one way. Click the plus button. I'm going to put in this and press enter. All right. And we're going to look at it. Basically, the epic has a purple default color. Okay. Now, I'm going to add another epic so that we can distinguish later. Okay, so I'm going to add another epic. Press enter. And okay, so after that, the next thing that I'm going to do is, now these are gonna be my epics. Okay, and for example, in this one, I'm going to work with this specific epic. I'm gonna click on view all details. You see it's purple. All I have to do is click this color at the side, on left side. Purple selected, edit epic color. All right. Now I'm going to put it like something like maybe a blue one for now, or red. All right. So see, nothing changes, right? We'll do that later. And I'm going to click this, of course. You can't basically change it here. You need to click the view all details first before you can be able to change the color. I'm selecting the neon green. Okay. Now it changes here, but you know, it takes a little while. Go into this one. I'm going to click on the view all details. Click on that, and I'm going to select the yellow. And I'm going to change the colors of the laughs at the end. Okay, click again, the same process, everything here. Click that. I'm choosing maybe I don't know, maybe a light blue. Now for you to be able to see some of the changes, all I'm gonna do is press F5 to refresh, and that's that. So most of your epics color has been changed from red to green, deep yellow, and blue. All right, that's one way. Now, as you see, when epics are color-coded, reports and charts that pull epic data will reflect these colors, making it easier to understand and analyze data visually. And I find it very helpful for presentations to, you know, if you're working with multiple team members, clients, and freelancers, right? Because you can distinguish epics color that are part of the same sprint or release, helps align with the facilitating smoother planning and execution. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.